Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will discuss about SciPy cluster. Okay. In previous tutorial, I was talking about how to install SciPy and what is it. So today, the discussion matter is SciPy cluster. Cluster is the procedure of dividing the dataset into groups consisting of similar data points. Okay. It's always consider the data points as similar according to the data set. So for example, the items are arranged in the shopping mall and data points are in the same group must be identical. Okay, and as possible it should be different from the other groups. There are two types of cluster. One is centered and another is hierarchy. So you can use this system in k-means clustering and vector quantization system algorithm. So computing k-means with 3 cluster, and the k-means algorithm iterates again and again, adjusts the centroid until necessary progress cannot made changed in the discussion. Okay, so since the last iteration is less or more threshold, consider the following example, which I write down in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so at first you need to import the library. From NumPy import this stack array, and NumPy random import rand, and you know all, I think, what the function rand is done. And another one is SciPy cluster.vq, which imports k-means, vq and retain. So at first you need to data generation with 3 features. Let's say I use the vstack, array and rand. Okay, those 3 array I want to sum, and then retaining of data. So retain data, just use function retain data. And another one, computing k-means with cluster. So here I can use centroid and k-means. So I want to clusters the data point 1, this. Okay, so this, and after that I just print the centroid and it shows the cluster. Okay, so that's the process you can work with SciPy cluster. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.